What's up, y'all? If you're tuned into another episode of that Unbagging. What you see here, I'm going to revisit something I did before. It's been about a year since I did it, so I figure I might as well try it again. We're going to go with the black and blue with some apple wood, bacon on top, and then, you know, some onions, pickles, stuff like that. But, hey, if you haven't yet, make sure you like, subscribe, and you hit that little bell so you'll be notified every time I drop something new. But word up, guys, we're going to get this thing started. Hey, sit back and relax, enjoy. All right, so you saw me put all that together. So I'm gonna put this together real quick, like this. Got me a little bun. This right here. Oh yeah. Get you a little mustard on that bitch. Make sure you shake it so it doesn't get the mustard piss all over. All right. And I know you motherfuckers hate Miracle Whip. It's all right though. Don't bother me none. All right. You saw how that patty came out. So that patty, that was just a pre-made black and blue burger, but I'm gonna make them fresh. That's my new plan. You saw that down there? Boom. Slap a little piece of lettuce. And now, time for the best part. You know what it is. Mmm. Damn. That was a good bite. Look at that char in there. This was a thicker patty, so I knew I had to cook it longer, else I was gonna be disappointed. Killer the hump. Next time I'll do something more put together and stuff like that, but this was just a quick one for y'all out there. I hope you like, subscribe, and you hit that little bell so you get notified every time I drop something new. And this was just something put together. But hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But for you know, I want to thank you for spending a little bit of time with me today. Hey, until we see each other again, you know what to do, baby. Be safe out there.